Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Sony Bravia TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Sony Bravia 7 TV. How do you actually go ahead and download apps? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to go ahead and click on the home button on your remote here. And it's going to bring you to this page here. Move to the right and then click on apps. And then scroll down to where you see the search bar and type in the name of the app that you're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and type in an app, then go ahead and click on search, and then it's going to show you which apps are found. So go ahead and click on the app that you want to go ahead and install. And then with it, there should be an install button here. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download apps on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.